What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to have a quick look at Tron TRX, another subscriber request really, just to look over our friend Tron here. We can see we're trading at a market capitalization of 8.3 billion, sitting around $0.0816 at the moment. And on the daily time frame, we've actually had quite a big green candle over here, even despite yesterday's huge capitulation. So what's going on with our friend Tron at the moment? Well, we looked at this a few days ago. We can see we're in one giant descending triangle right here. And yesterday we got rejected at the resistance where we thought we probably would at that $0.089 resistance level. So it's quite interesting to see that particular bounce. And when we did actually bounce off of this resistance, we came back to the support at 0.071 before taking off once again. We've got lots of volume as well, which is very, very key to see. However, the trajectory at the moment is still a downtrend, and the macro sentiment is still very much bearish for everything in crypto right now. We can see we're taking these particular swing high and swing lows, so you could expect us to come at least back down to 0.057 if we do get the rejection on this descending triangle. It would be great to see the break out to the upside, which could still happen, and then retest this as a support before seeing some sort of continuation to the upside. That can also happen on the 4-hour time frame. If we look at what's happening, we see we basically just bounced off this area perfectly, just really, really nicely. But the problem is we're putting through a lower high, which does suggest a little bit of rollover on this particular time frame. Almost put through a head and shoulders, but we didn't quite do that. And what we're getting now on this hourly time frame is a bit of consolidation in an ascending channel. And usually it's a bullish continuation pattern to the upside. When we do have these ascending channels, it shows that the highs and the lows are equally going up, and there's not too much volatility because there's no broadening spectrum of this. So we could at least come up and retest the $0.088 level in some sort of time. But if we break and lose the support once again here, come down below the 20-day moving average, we'll be saying hello again to $0.073 at least as we trade through this very volatile range. So what happened before, when we get these particular swing high ranges, if we look back, you can see when we had swing low to swing high, the first one we came up to around the 0.618 Fibonacci, and the second one on this particular swing high, we've come up to so far the 0.5, so there's still some space to come up to at least 0.096 if we do repeat history here and we take the same impulse from the retracement levels. So that can actually definitely happen as well. Most bearish scenario is that we lose the major support levels at 0.05 and then we come back into the range between 0.047 and 0.058, though I don't think that is probably going to happen at all. I think we're going to follow this trajectory in this ascending channel and maybe see the 0.088 level, or like I say, on the bearish scenario 0.072. So of course the dip is the best time to dollar cost average. So if you want to buy some crypto or TRX Tron today, use the link in my description at the very top. That will do the most impactful thing, because it's one of the best exchanges you can use to actually get cryptocurrency today. And there's a bit of news I just wanted to actually explore really. So someone is blowing up Bitcoin sees 2022 volume record. Amid hopes capitulation is over. So does Bitcoin have a further to fall? Many experts think yes, between $18,000 and $24,000. As we see here, forced liquidation after plunging to 10-week lows in line of equities on May 5 Wall Street trading session. Bitcoin bounced at levels last seen in February. The downturn in both crypto and stocks, which followed an initial bounce the day prior on the back of expected rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, appeared to be more than traders bargained for. The S&P 500 was down 3.5%, whilst the Nasdaq 100 ended down 5%. So therefore, crypto did also take a bit of backlash from this particular event. Someone is blowing up, and this is forced liquidation, he told his Twitter followers. There have been 2 days in the past 25 years when the S&P 500 futures were down 3% and 10-year Treasury futures down 1%. That's 2020 March, and also 2008 October. So this is a forced liquidation right here. We can see smells like capitulation or some serious signals in the background that are occurring. We can see these are the liquidations that were liquidated over on Binance Trading. Over 200 million came from alt pairs from on-chain monitoring. So that's a pretty crazy liquidation right there. Regardless of whatever I say in the short term, macro continues to be down. Whilst we are under the bull market support band, we should be seeing lower prices more and more. There will be bounces, pops, squeezes, short-term euphoria, and you name it. But I don't think we'll see macro reversal before major capitulation or Fed backtracking stance on rate hikes, and so on and so on. So really, it's a big economical crisis. And in conjunction with this, we've got all the geopolitical mess, such as war as well. We've got inflation, we've got interest rates. There's so many things. We've got the DXY pumping over 100. Things don't look great for cryptocurrency at the moment. We've also got the fear and greed index. We're sitting at a whopping 22 at the moment. Crypto bubbles, Bitcoin down 8.2% on the weekly market cap, sitting at $35,000. So we're capitulating as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. We're seeing the drop in price. We're seeing ETH also come down as 7% on this daily time frame. So it's not looking absolutely good at all, is it? No, it's not. So if you do want to at least have a hope of winning something, you can most definitely hop over to my Twitter channel and to my 100 BUSD giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel. You can do that now. That'll automatically enter you. If you want to get more entries, head over to my Twitter in the description below. Enter my giveaway. It's really easy to do, and come and say hello in the Discord channel as well, which is free, and this will help you increase your odds of winning and also give you access to some nice DCA charts, some daily take profit zones, some leverage trading, and also spot trades, which we're going to start on this channel soon. So make sure you get yourself in the Discord channel. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you're doing awesome. Let me know what crypto you're interested in buying at the moment. See you soon. Much love.